Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to block a number on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap on the phone app on your home screen. This is the app you use to make calls and view your call history, so it should be easy to locate. Once the phone app opens, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon or hamburger menu. Go ahead and tap on these three lines to reveal a list of options. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings and tap on it. This is where you can access all the configuration options for your phone app, including call settings, voicemail, and importantly, blocked numbers. Now, within the settings menu, scroll through the options until you find blocked numbers. Tap on this option to proceed. This section allows you to manage all the phone numbers you've blocked on your device, giving you full control over who can and cannot reach you. Next, you'll see an option that says Add a number. Tap on this to begin the blocking process. This feature is particularly useful when you want to prevent unwanted calls from telemarketers, spam numbers, or anyone else you prefer not to hear from. Once you tap Add a number, a field will appear on your screen where you can input the phone number you want to block. Go ahead and carefully type in the complete phone number, making sure to include the area code and any other necessary digits. Double check that you've entered the correct number to avoid accidentally blocking the wrong person. First, after entering the number, you'll see a button labeled Block. Tap on this button to finalize the process. The number will now be added to your blocked list, and any future calls or text messages from that number will be automatically rejected by your phone. And that's it. You've successfully blocked a number on your Google Pixel, ensuring that unwanted calls won't disturb you anymore. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.